Hello and welcome back to our Swahili learning journey. My name is Tristan, and today we're going to be focusing on a greeting and introduction. So, when you walk up to somebody, you say, Habari. That means hello. And if you were to ask, Habari yako, that means, how are you? So, now that you have said hello to the other person, you're going to say, Jina Langu ni your name. So in my case, I would say, Jina Langu ni Tristan. Now that you've introduced yourself, you're going to ask the other person their name. Jina lako nani? Now that you've said hello and introduced yourself, you really must be going. So this is your time to say Kwaheri, meaning goodbye. So today we have learned how to say hello, Habari, how to ask how somebody is, Habari yako, how to introduce yourself, Jina Langu ni Tristan, and how to ask for somebody else's name, Jina lako nani, and how to say goodbye, Kwaheri.